Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Denture Making Kit is probably one of the most comprehensive solutions for anyone looking to create complete dentures. This kit provides all the essential tools and materials, ensuring you have everything you need to craft a fully functional and aesthetically pleasing set of dentures. Whether you're a dental professional or a hobbyist, this kit simplifies the process, making it easier to achieve professional quality results from the comfort of your own workspace. Number 5. Dentemp Repair It Advanced Denture Repair Kit. Is your denture broken? This kit is designed to fix breaks quickly and effectively. It's a convenient solution for denture repair. Cracks in your denture can be unsightly and uncomfortable. This product helps mend those cracks, restoring the integrity of your denture. It's easy to use and provides a reliable fix. Do you have loose teeth in your denture? This kit allows you to replace them. It's a simple way to regain a secure and comfortable fit. This kit is safe and easy to use, providing a convenient way to repair your denture. You can use it anywhere, anytime, without the need for a dentist visit. Breaks can happen at any time, but with this kit, you can fix them. It's a reliable solution that helps you avoid the inconvenience of a broken denture. What we like. This kit is incredibly easy to use, making it perfect for quick fixes anywhere. It allows you to repair breaks and replace loose teeth. If you're looking for a convenient solution for unexpected denture issues, this is the one for you. What people say. Work wonders when your dentures break. I have had to use this a few times before I got mine fixed. Each fix done correct lasts quite a long time. Would buy again. I used a little soft grit sandpaper to give the hardener something to hold on to, above and below. I thoroughly cleaned and de-germed the piece, and dried to room temperature. Worked like a charm, and he said it was easy to use. Great money saver. Number 4. PERK Denture Repair Kit with 28 Teeth. This is the PERK Denture Repair Kit. It's designed for emergency denture repairs at home. This kit provides a temporary solution until you can visit your dentist. Have a broken denture? This kit is perfect for fixing it. It's an emergency repair kit to help with broken dentures or missing teeth. The kit includes denture teeth in random sizes and shades. You can use these to replace missing teeth. If needed, the teeth can be exchanged for different sizes or shades. It's a DIY denture repair kit. This allows you to fix your dentures yourself. It's a convenient way to handle denture issues at home. Repair your dentures from the comfort of your home. This kit is easy to use and provides a quick fix. It's a great solution for denture emergencies. What we like. This kit is designed for emergency situations, providing a temporary fix until you can see a dentist. It includes teeth that can be exchanged for different sizes or shades. If you need a quick, at-home solution for broken dentures or missing teeth, consider this kit. What people say. It is very strong and has lasted several months now. I repaired my upper denture 2 months ago and you're still no problems. It's holding like a champ. It is so easy to use. Number 3. M3 Naturals Retainer Cleaner Kit. M3 Naturals offers a complete solution for cleaning dental appliances. This kit includes cleaning tablets and a case, perfect for various mouthpieces. It's designed to simplify your oral hygiene routine. These effervescent tablets provide a fast and easy way to clean. They offer a comprehensive cleansing solution for your retainers, aligners, and mouthguards. The tablets are designed for effective cleaning. The included denture case is both lightweight and strong. You can use it at home or while traveling. It's suitable for cleaning and storing your dental appliances. Place your dental device in the basket. Fill the holder with warm water and add a cleaning tablet. Let it soak for 15 to 30 minutes, then remove and dry. It's a simple process for a clean appliance. M3 Naturals is committed to providing reliable health and wellness solutions. All products are quality tested in the USA. You can trust the quality and effectiveness of this product. What we like. This kit offers a complete oral hygiene solution, with extra strength cleaning power. It comes with a functional and durable case for home or travel. If you like a comprehensive cleaning system for your dental appliances, you should consider this. What people say. They dissolve quickly in warm water, and a 15-minute soak removes buildup without any scrubbing. The tablets dissolve quickly in warm water, creating a solution that effectively removes odors and discoloration. After soaking my aligners for about 10 minutes, they feel fresh and look clear, without any lingering aftertaste. Number 2. D.O.C Repair It Advanced Formula Denture Repair Kit. Are you tired of dealing with a broken denture? This kit is designed to provide a quick and effective solution. It helps you repair your dentures at home. The advanced formula ensures a strong and durable bond. It's easy to use and provides a long-lasting repair. This kit is designed for easy application. You can fix your dentures in a few simple steps. No need to visit the dentist for minor repairs. This kit allows you to fix your dentures from the comfort of your home. It saves you time and money. Each kit contains 3 sets, providing multiple uses. It's a convenient solution for unexpected denture issues. Keep it handy for when you need it. What we like. This kit provides a reliable denture repair solution with its advanced formula. It is designed to fix your denture. If you need a quick and effective way to repair your dentures, this is a great choice. What people say. This stuff really works. I mean, this stuff sets as hard as concrete. Works great so far. I eat with denture like I always did before tooth came out, and it hasn't gotten loose nor fell out in weeks. It actually is adhering so well I forget it ever fell out. Number 1. XODENT Denture Cleaner Basic Kit. This kit includes everything you need for comprehensive denture care. It comes with denture baths, strainer baskets, brushes, and cleaning tablets. It's a complete system to keep them clean. This kit helps you maintain excellent oral hygiene. It eliminates 99.9% of odor-causing particles, removing plaque and stains. This ensures your dentures stay fresh and sanitized. Cleaning your dentures is now easier and faster. The cleaning tablets work quickly, cleansing your dentures in just 15 minutes. This saves you time and effort. Take this kit with you wherever you go. It's lightweight and compact, perfect for travel. It fits easily in your bag, ensuring your dentures stay clean and fresh on the go. Say goodbye to tough stains. This cleaner is specially formulated to remove stains from coffee, tea, and smoking. It restores the natural whiteness and brightness of your dentures. Get a thorough clean without harsh methods. The soft brushes and high-quality tablets work together gently. This ensures effective cleaning while protecting your dentures. What we like. This kit offers a complete cleaning system for your dentures, ensuring optimal oral hygiene. It's also travel-friendly, making it easy to maintain your dentures on the go. If you are looking for a comprehensive and convenient way to keep your dentures clean and fresh, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Great product. Love that it came with brush and strainer basket. It was exactly what was needed, all-inclusive. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.